You don't want the 400-pound guy scouting out.
That goes back to number one. They should be quick, nimble, and quiet.
You already said that.
You can hear them people breathing from a mile away.
I don't need to be specific or I get offensive.
You're not trying to hide behind the counter at Walmart. All you do is...
I'm going to be quiet.
I can hear your diabetes.
I hear that COPD a mile away, buddy. Get out of there. Yeah, you don't want the guy breathing hard.
Breaker one there. Walmart looks clear.
There's 2 bags of rice.
I already ate 3 bags.
There's 4 bags. I repeat, there's 2 bags of rice left.
There's 14 things of pickles left. 12. 10. 9.